So this is a foot roller, which is really useful for any dancer that is training, and also for dancers that are performing as well. When you're doing lots and lots of foot exercises, sometimes you can feel quite a lot of pain underneath your foot. So these are really good. You can pop them underneath your foot and roll out on them. You can do them before class, you can do them during the bar work, and they can be really helpful for students that are doing lots of footwork exercises, especially at the bar. It's really simple to use the foot roller. Simply put it on the floor, pop your foot on top, and just roll up and down on the foot roller. Depending on how much pressure you want to feel from the foot roller will depend on how much weight you transfer onto your foot. So if you only want it to be light pressure, then don't put any weight on the foot. If you want more pressure, then you can transfer the weight right over. You can do it quickly, which is quite stimulating, maybe quite good before class. That's what I used to do before my ballet classes. And then if you go a little bit slower, then you can really feel it just relaxing underneath the foot, which is usually quite good to do at the end of your class. So the foot roller is a great thing to have in your dance bag.